Hello and welcome back, all my fellow sewers of the world, or if you're not a sewer yourself and you just like to watch other people sew. So welcome! Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys, this is just a little fun side project I did not that long ago, in which I created a shirt for myself, a nice work blouse, if you will, completely out of fabric I got for $4 at a local store. I'm basing it on, I made my own kind of template here based off of a shirt I already owned, and from there I kind of just guessed. I didn't use a pattern or anything, I just went with my gut on this one. That's kind of how I tend to do a lot of things when I'm sewing. But in any case, yes, I got 2.5 yards of fabric at about 130 or so. I don't remember how much per yard it was, but it came out to be about $4 in fabric. I only used about half of it for this project of making this top. The other over half of it, I plan on making just like a really nice necktie, neck scarf out of it, and then I'm going to have even more fabric left over that I'm not even sure what I'll do with all the leftovers at that point. But yeah, you can just see here behind the scenes, this is me using my almost famous vintage sewing machine that I use to create basically everything I sew myself, and including everything that I sew for Etsy, things over on Etsy like you guys have seen before. I showed you guys how I make bucket hats for Etsy and pillows and all sorts of other things. I do absolutely love this machine. I will admit it was a little bit difficult sewing on this fabric because it was so slick. I had to turn it onto more of a silk setting. From there, I had to play around with some settings a little bit to get it just right. But after that, I did get the stitches to stay a lot better than I expected, because this is not an easy material to work with. It's kind of like a meshy silk kind of thing, if you know what I'm trying to say. But I also did use my mannequin here that I actually made based on my own body measurements, so I know that it's going to fit me when I adhere it to this mannequin. I can measure myself based off of that. And because this is kind of like by the seat of my pants, kind of just playing along with it, just making it up as I go along, as I usually do when I'm sewing things, let's be honest. There was a lot of cutting, a lot of, correcting things. I think there was at one point in this video, you might not be able to tell or not, but I definitely sewed my sleeves on backwards, one of them, so I had to do some seam ripping, which I don't think I edited out of the recording because you guys probably would not find it interesting to watch me seam rip for an hour, but just so you guys know, I'm totally not perfect, especially when it comes to sewing. I like to do things on the fly, make things up as I go, as I already said, and I just went with it just for fun, and again, this was just totally all for myself, so I really did enjoy it. As you can see here, I even made like a little tie at the bottom of the shirt, like the other shirt I was basing it off of. I think it turned out really nice, as you'll probably see in just a few seconds. I'm not so sure how well you'll be able to hear my sewing machine running in the background, but I thought that'd be some great ASMR, if you will, in the background of this video. But of course, do not worry, do not fret, for a reveal is incoming very, very soon here. And just like that, that is my completely made out of actually less than $4 because I didn't even use all my fabric on this. But as you can see, it turned out lovely. It fits me perfectly based on my mannequin measurements. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to follow and check out more coming soon.